Hello math enthusiasts, welcome to another video. In this section I'm gonna to discuss about a classical mechanic through the lens of Lagrange equation. What is the meaning of this exactly? You consider when you have a classical mechanic, you are in the Cartesian product, yes, x, y, z and like this. But at the first, if you're gonna to calculate these questions by the Lagrange equation, you must at the first go to the polar coordinate, and after that you solve this equation. What is the meaning of the L in here? L is exactly, guys, T minus U, kinetic energy minus potential energy. But therefore, at the first, you calculate this partial derivative with respect to theta dot. Theta dot is derivative of theta, the angle, yes? And after that, you take the derivative with respect to t minus partial derivative with respect to theta. I think if you're gonna to understand it better, the single pendulum, it can help you. What is the simple pendulum? Exactly is something like this. You know, we have a y-axis and x-axis also, and we have a mass and start to jerking and escalating something like this, and this is our theta. If we're gonna to change our coordinate from Cartesian product to the polar coordinates, at the first, if you're gonna to calculate this y by trigonometry ratios is L cosine theta, yes, and the y also is L sine theta. What is x dot? Derivative of x with respect to theta is theta dot L sine theta, but with a minus. But another one also is theta dot L cosine theta. Why we must use this? Because in the kinetic energy, we need the T is 1 over 2 mv power 2, and exactly that is x dot power 2 plus y dot power 2. Okay, if we gonna to calculate this with power 2 and also add with this with power 2, is theta dot power 2 L sine 2 plus theta dot power 2 L2 cosine theta with power 2, and final answer is theta dot power 2 L2. Am I right? Okay, but if we're gonna to calculate Lagrange equation, we're gonna to use U. What is the U exactly? In the previous, we know U is mgh. Also, the h in here is L cosine theta, but with the minus is minus mg L cosine theta. Okay, let's write the L because we need it in our equation is T minus U, also is theta dot L2 plus mg L cosine theta. Am I right? Okay. I think my handwriting is a little awful. Okay, but right now I must calculate this formula, d to dt partial derivative with respect to t, partial derivative with respect to theta dot minus dl with respect to t. We must produce this formula. At the first, we have, if we're going to calculate this with respect to, we take a derivative with respect to theta dot. Also, we had also in the here 1 over, because t 1 over 2m we must add in here. Yes, I had a little mistake. And after that, theta power 2, if I'm gonna to calculate derivative, and this they cancel each other, is m theta dot L power 2, and after that dt minus, and right now we must calculate this value, derivative with respect to theta, also is minus mgl minus sine theta, yes, equal to 0. But if we're gonna to calculate this derivative, this and this is a constant, therefore is theta 2 dot ml power 2 plus mgl sine theta equal to 0. Right now, if we're gonna to write this equation better, at the first I divided to ml do, and I put this part in the right, therefore theta dot is exactly g divided to l sine theta, and that is our final equation we receive by Lagrange equation formula. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video.